The 2025 Audi 3 Rupees is a masterpiece of engineering, delivering an unmatched blend of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. It is designed to captivate driving enthusiasts with its striking appearance, thrilling power, and innovative features. This compact sports sedan packs a punch with its turbocharged 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine, delivering remarkable horsepower and torque. It ensures swift acceleration, taking you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, offering a driving experience that feels exhilarating on both highways and winding roads. Audi's iconic Quattro all-wheel drive system comes standard, providing exceptional grip and stability, even in challenging road conditions. Paired with a finely tuned suspension, the 3 Rupees offers precise handling and cornering abilities, making every drive an adventure. The advanced dynamic modes allow drivers to customize the car's performance characteristics, catering to their preferences and the demands of the road. The exterior of the 2025 Audi 3 Rupees is a true head-turner, featuring bold lines, an aggressive front grille, and aerodynamic enhancements. Its LED lighting system enhances visibility while giving the car a distinctive and modern look. The sporty alloy wheels and signature RS badges further emphasize its performance-oriented character. Inside, the 3 Rupees offers a premium cabin that blends comfort and sophistication. High-quality materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and a driver-focused design define the interior. The sport seats provide excellent support during spirited driving, while the customizable ambient lighting creates a luxurious atmosphere. The latest MMI infotainment system features a responsive touchscreen, seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and a premium sound system to keep you entertained and connected on the go. Safety and driver assistance features are a top priority in the 3 Rupees. It is equipped with an array of advanced systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. Audi's commitment to safety and innovation is evident in every aspect of this vehicle. Whether you are a performance enthusiast or someone who appreciates a blend of luxury and practicality, the 2025 Audi 3 Rupees is a remarkable choice. It embodies the spirit of Audi's RS lineup, offering an exhilarating driving experience without compromising on comfort or daily usability. This car is a testament to Audi's dedication to pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews, the latest updates, and detailed features on the most exciting cars. Your support helps us bring you quality content regularly.